Hi guys, I'm going to be teaching you about elapsed time today and the best strategy to find that and any good tips or anything I can give you to work on that. So I'm going to start off with an example on a number line or a timeline to find the elapsed time between the start of an event and the end of an event. So we're going to start by drawing a line for your timeline, like that, and then we're going to, so let's say we're going to do the beginning of school until the end of school, and you're trying to figure out how much time is in between that, which is the elapsed time. So first you're going to start by putting when school starts, and we'll put that right here, and we'll say it starts at 10:45 a.m. So then you have your start time right here, and then you're going to go to the end of the thing and you're going to write your end time for school. So let's say it is 3:30, which is p.m. So then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go by intervals to get to the end of the time. And the best way to do that is to get to the most even number before skipping to the hours. It'll make it easier. So for instance, we'll go from 10:45 to 11, and then we'll start counting by the 1 hour point after 11. So we have 10:45, and then we'll go to 11 a.m. And then we are going to count until we get to 3, because this is 3:30, and so we want to stop at the hour point before then, and then we'll count those extra 30 minutes. So we have an 11 a.m., and then we'll go 12, 1, 2, and 3. And then you want to label those so you can keep track of the time that you are counting. This is actually p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m. And then we're going from 3 p.m. to 3:30, which is that 30 minutes. So if we're counting the elapsed time, in between 10:45 and 11 a.m. is going to be the 15 minutes. From 11 a.m. to 12 is 1 hour. And then 12 to 1 is 2 hours. 1 to 2, 3 hours. 2 to 3 is 4 hours. So we have 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, and then we have those last 30 minutes that we have to count. So we'll go from 3 to 3:30, which is 30 minutes. So to count the elapsed time, you just have to count each of these intervals together. So we'll start with the hour points because those are the easiest to add together. So we have 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. And if you want to write it out to make it easier for yourself, you can do that. Adding all those, so 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. And then we'll add the minutes together. So we have 30 and 45. So we will add those together, 30 and 15. And those together is 5 right here. And then 3 plus 1 is 4, so you get 45. And then we add these together. So your total elapsed time is going to be the 4 hours and 45 minutes. And you can use these timelines for any amount of situations that you need to use for elapsed time. They're really good, and they can really help you out. And that is it for today.